So here are the brass portal covers that I got off of eBay. Each one of these brass portal covers weighs 85 grams. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC, and today we're going to look at adding a little bit more front weight to the Axial Capra. So there are a couple different options to add a little bit more front weight to the Axial Capra, especially down low where the axles are. We have an option for using brass wheel weights, which would be on the hub, and there are also brass portal covers. Now, the brass wheel weights is rotating mass, and the brass portal covers are not, and that is what I'm going to tackle in this upgrade. So here are the brass portal covers that I got off of eBay. I would put a link to these in the description below. Each one of these brass portal covers weighs 85 grams. And you may recognize these as these come in various different brand names on eBay. I guess one of the more popular ones is Vitavan or Vitavan. I don't know how you pronounce it, but that's the more well-known brand that these come in. This one in particular just says TBS. So you can find these on eBay. I will put a link to these in the description below. And let's get started. Now, one thing you do need to be aware of with these brass portal covers is that they will only fit certain wheels. They will definitely fit the stock wheels. As you can see, they safely fit within the diameter or the inner diameter of the stock wheels. Now, the wheels I'm currently running, which are these, I kind of lucked out because they actually clear these wheels as well. If you were to use some other wheels with a beadlock system like this, then you would not be able to use this. So you have to be aware of the inner diameter clearance of your wheels before you proceed with these brass portal covers. So luckily, mine do clear. As you can see here, the bearings are a pretty snug fit in the brass portal covers. please be aware that it's a very, very snug fit. So it takes a good bit of aligning to get this on. Alright, we've got one side mounted on. The wheel fits over it just fine. See it inside the wheel. Here you can see the inside of the wheel. You can see that it clears. Alright, let's move on to the other side. Alright, I've got both bearings in and we're ready to put this brass portal cover back on. Once again, it's going to be a real snug fit, so keep working at it until you get it on. And we've got the other side of the brass portal covers installed. Let's take a closer look. And let's go ahead and put the wheels back on. And this completes this part of the Axial Capra upgrade series. Brass portal covers off of eBay on the front. I can't wait to get this out on the rocks and give it a run. So I think these brass portal covers will really help the Axial Capra in keeping that front down and gripping the rocks. I can't wait to get this out at CDM Rocks to see how well it does with the front weight now, as well as the rear link risers from Super Shafty right here, and the upgraded servo mount from Super Shafty. So thanks again for watching this part of the Axial Capra upgrade series. Please like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for any future updates from Revolution XRC. Thanks for watching.